backyard garden, Nick and Tanya are ready to teach you all about the amazing world of flowering plants.
Hi everyone! Today, Tanya and I are going to show you something really cool flowering plants.
Flowering plants are special because they grow flowers, and flowers help the plants make seeds.
That's right. Seeds are super important because they grow into new plants. But not all plants make flowers.
Yeah, some plants like ferns don't have flowers at all. They use something called spores to grow.
This is a rosebush. It's a perfect example of a flowering plant. The colorful petals help attract bees and butterflies.
And this is a sunflower. It's another flowering plant, and its big yellow flowers follow the sun throughout the day.
Pretty cool, right? But that's not all. Flowering plants come in all shapes and sizes. Some even turn into fruits after they bloom.
Let's take a closer look at some flowering plants with Nick and Tanya.
This is a fern. It's a non-flowering plant, which means it doesn't grow flowers. Instead, it uses spores to reproduce.
Ferns are neat because they've been around for millions of years, even before dinosaurs.
Now you know why some plants have flowers and others don't.
Thanks for joining Nick and Tanya on their adventure through the world of flowering plants. Keep exploring, and you'll discover even more wonders in your own backyard.